afternoon. The European Network for Chemical Elemental Analysis by Total Reflection X-ray Fluorescence is a cost action which aims at establishing TXRF as a reference technique and promoting its use in analytics. TXRF is a surface-sensitive microanalytical technique of high potential. It provides a simultaneous multi-elemental characterization with impressive detection limits, which can be of screening, qualitative or quantitative characters. Despite its performances, TXRF is not yet well established in analytics. The main reason are there the lack of standardized procedures and dedicated reference material and a far too high total uncertainty budget. To address these challenges, 4 working groups were set up in the network: instrumentation and software, metrology and standardization, sample preparation and analytical procedures, and performance assessment and data analysis. The goals are to develop consciousness about the TXRF technique and its application, and to improve the overall TXRF chemical measurement process, to impact quality, and thus establish TXRF as a reference technique. The network has identified already many challenges which were gathered in a booklet available on the Enforce TXRF website. On the instrumentation point of view, acquiring knowledge on the spectrometer specification is crucial to select the experimental parameters and control the performances. Repeatability and reproducibility of a measurement are here at stake. Data analysis software remain largely black boxes, with the issues in determining the analyzed net intensities and propose poor level of user control. Validating the result is increasingly important, and unfortunately, the total uncertainty budget is poorly assessed in TXRF. Preparing a test sample representative of a system under study is fundamental. This requires comprehensive experimental design and, more specifically, control of the mass deposition and homogeneity of the sample onto the carrier. Quantification strategy constitutes another venture area and relies on precise calibration and knowledge of the whole measurement condition. Last but not least, there is no universal TXRF chemical measurement process that would apply to all types of samples from all the field of research. This needs to be developed specifically, separately, with fit-for-purpose reference material for validation purposes. If you're interested in expanding your knowledge on TXRF or joining the effort to make TXRF a sustainable, reliable, and competitive analytical process, then please visit the Enforce TXRF website and contact us. Thank you.